Welcome to Guitar Power Up. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Toxic from Polo G's new album, Hall of Fame. So as always, if this video helps you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. Subscribe for more from this artist and visit guitarpowerup.com for more videos. Enjoy! So this entire song is a single riff. I'll play it for you first, and then I'll break it down for you. So for this song, we're going to tune the low E string down to a C. So like I mentioned, this entire song is made of a single riff. So you're going to start by placing your ring finger on the 4th fret of low E string, your pointer finger on the 2nd fret of the A string, and your pinky finger on the 4th fret of the D string. And you're going to pick the low E string, A string, G string, low E string, A string, G string, low E string, D string. Then you're gonna lay your pointer finger down, so you're also fingering the 2nd fret of the G string, and you're gonna do the same picking pattern again. Then you do that whole thing again. Then you're gonna place your middle finger on the 3rd fret of the A string, and you're going to leave your pinky finger on the 4th fret of the D string, and you're going to do the same picking pattern again. Then you're going to leave your middle finger and your pinky finger where they are, and you're going to place your pointer finger on the 2nd fret of the G string, and you're going to do the same picking pattern again. And it repeats, and I'll play it for one more time. It sounds like this. And that's it for Blackhearted. Like I mentioned, if this video helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. Subscribe for more stuff for this artist, and visit guitarpowerup.com for more videos. Thanks.